We are going to be launching this seminar to talk about how starting a business is not the same as running a business. It's very, very different, and we hope to be able to open up some discussions amongst your peers to discuss and hopefully learn from each other.
So as companies grow, a collection of individuals really needs to become a strong team together. So we really want to make sure you leave the workshop with some practical tools for how to create a cohesive team and give them a strong sense of purpose so that they really stick together when the going gets tough. So we'll walk through some very practical examples and have you leave with some tools that you could use to help employees become more innovative, more exploratory, more empathetic with their coworkers to create a much more positive work environment.
So in summary, we'd love you to take the seminar to actually talk to the two presenters, to Len and myself, who have between 40 and 50 years each of experience in business, and learn what we went through. Ask the questions, learn from us. It will make you better, it'll make your company better. So please come join us.